Hello dear students, I hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to make some revision class again. Please watch me carefully. But first of all, you need to finish all 4 more videos and you need to complete your homeworks, okay? Before exam, I will ask for your homeworks and books because I will check and I will give you feedback, okay? Now I am going to start my new lesson for today. By the way, what is the day for today? Bugün 30 Nisan 2021 Cuma. Cuma is Friday. Nisan means April. Ders Türkçe konu. What does it mean? Exercise related to vowel sound and consonant sound. Okay? By using your workbook, activity book, we are going to work on this subject, okay? Sayfa 14, page 14. The first word that we are going to work, şişe. In Turkish language, it means, it is a şişe. In English, it means bottle. So what we are going to hear, we are going to find out the vowel sound inside of the word, okay? Then we are going to write next to the word. This one is consonant or vowel. You remember? She. She is a consonant. It means sessiz harf, okay? E is a vowel. So we need to write. What we are going to do, we are going to figure out vowel sound inside of the word. So here we have E and the other one. She again is a consonant sound. It is sessiz harf. So we don't write it here. What else? E. E is a vowel. So we need to write. What we have done, by looking the nature of the word, we have find out vowel sound inside of the word. Okay, we have E, we have E. What about the second one? Which word we have? Şemsiye. Şemsiye, what does it mean? As you see, we have a picture here. This one, umbrella in Turkish language. Şemsiye. Okay, now we are going to find out again vowel sound. She is a consonant, sessiz harf. E, sesli harf. The first one. M, sessiz harf. S, sessiz, consonant. E, vowel, sesli harf. Y, consonant, which is called in Turkish language sessiz harf. And the last one again, E. It is a vowel. Bu sesli harf. Okay? Now I am going to write other word. Tabak. Tabak. As you see, it is a plate. Tabak means plate. A kind of material for putting food on it, okay, inside it. Tabak. T, sessiz harf. A, sesli, vowel. B, sessiz, consonant. A again. sesli harf. K sessiz. Okay? And the other one, telephone. Telephone, I think you may know this word. It is so easy. It resembles to English version. Telephone. Telephone or phone. We have consonant. The first one is consonant. T is T, sessiz harf. Now I am going to place the second one. E is a vowel. Sesli harf. L, sessiz. E, again, sesli. F, sessiz. O, sesli. N, sessiz. Okay, we have done. Çizme. Çizme. As you see, it's a kind of shoe. It can be worn, in rainy or snowy weathers. Okay? Boot. Çizme. A kind of shoe. Ç, sessiz harf. İ, sesli. Z, sessiz. M, sessiz harf. E, sesli. Çizme. İ, E. Çanta. Çanta, you know its meaning. It is a bag. Ç, sessiz harf. A, sesli. N, sessiz. T, sessiz. A, sesli. Okay? We have completed the first part of our activity. It was the first activity on your activity book, page 14. Now I am going to pass second activity in your book. Okay? It was the first. Now we are going to write consonant sound inside of the word. We are going to do the opposite version of this activity. Okay. We have cetvel. Cetvel, you remember what does it mean? It is a ruler. Okay, ruler. So, we are going to find out consonant sounds inside of this word. I am looking at which one is consonant, which one is vowel. C, sessiz harf. E, sesli harf. T, sessiz. V, sessiz. L, sessiz. So totally we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 consonants in this word. The rest of them we have 2 vowels. E. Bunlar sesli harf. Bunlar sessiz harf. Okay? The next one. Balon. F. A sesli harf. L. O sesli harf. N sessiz harf. E, L, N. Balon. Aslan. Aslan means lion. A sesli harf. S sessiz harf. L sessiz harf. A sesli harf. N sessiz harf. Aslan. We have S, L, N as a consonant inside of this word. Aslan. Takvim. What does it mean? It is a calendar showing the Date. Date and date. Date and day. Sorry. Takvim. T, the first consonant that we have. A, sesli harf. K, sessiz. V, sessiz. I, sesli harf. M, sessiz. For, T, K ve M. Takvim. Takvimin içinde 4 tane sessiz harf var. We have 4 consonants inside of this word, which is called calendar. In Turkish, takvim. Okay, anahtar. Anahtar again. A, sesli harf. N, sessiz. A, sesli. H, sessiz. T, sessiz. A, sesli harf. The last one, R, sessiz harf. N, H, T, R. The rest of them, we have 2 vowels, which are A, 3A. A'lar sesli harf. N, H, T, R, sessiz harf. Okay? By the way, anahtar means is a key. Okay? And the last word that I'm going to write, aile. Aile means family. Aile. A, sesli harf. I, sesli harf. L, sessiz harf. E, sesli harf. So we have 1 consonant inside of the word which is called aile. Okay? A, I, E, sesli harf. I'm going to repeat the meaning of the word for make you remember. Şişe, bottle, şemsiye, umbrella, tabak is a plate, telefon, phone, cetvel, çizme, boot, a kind of shoe, which is worn in rainy days or snowy days. Çanta, bag. Cetvel is a ruler. Balloon. Aslan, lion. Calendar, takvim. Anahtar is a key. Aile is a family. Okay? So, now I want to make one table showing that the category for consonant sound and vowel sound. You can keep in your mind. Okay? Also, at the end of the class, I will give you some tasks related to this subject. Okay? So I want to write it here. I think I can write in this part. Sesli harfler, sessiz harfler. In Turkish language. I am going to write all of them here. A, E, I, I, O, Ö, U, Ü. Bunlar Türkçe dilindeki sesli harfler. Totally we have 8 vowel. Türkçe'de 8 sesli harf var. Bunlar A, E, I, I, O, Ö, U, I, Ü. Sorry. Now I am going to write the consonant sounds in Turkish language. Consonant letters. B, C, Ç, D, F, G, yumuşak G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, R, S, Ş, T, V, Y, Z. Okay? Sesli harfler A, E, I, I, O, Ö, U, Ü. Sessiz harfler B, C, Ç, D, F, G, yumuşak G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, R, S, Ş, T, V, Y, Z. Okay? Please keep in mind this table. Also, you should write all these things to your notebook. And then I am going to give you some exercises related to this subject. Okay? So, for today, I have completed my subject. In the second part of video, I am going to give your exercises on this subject. Okay? I hope you have all of you enjoyed this class. Görüşmek üzere. Hoşça kalın. Merhaba sevgili öğrenciler. Şimdi videonun ikinci bölümündeyiz. İlk derste biliyorsunuz sesli ve ses harfleri öğrendik. Onlarla ilgili araştırma yaptık daha doğrusu. Şimdi bu konuyla ilgili size ödevlerinizi vereceğim, aktivitelerinizi. Hello my dear students, you know that in the first video we have learned consonant and vowel sounds. In other words, we have done exercises related to related to consonant and vowel sound by using words. Now we are going to make some activity. I will give you your homeworks, okay? So please watch me carefully. By the way, I have already written an activity for you. It is not on your book, okay? First of all, I want to explain this. Find the vowel letters inside of the words and write them. Okay? As we have done in the first part of the video, what we have done, we have find out vowel sound inside of the word. So what you are going to do, you are going to look at the word, you should find out vowel, and then you are going to write them here. Okay? We have okul, hastane, kalemlik, öğretmen, silgi ve kütüphane. We have 6 words. So you are going to find out vowel sound and you should write them next to word as we did in the activities. Okay? And the second activity that you are supposed to do, find the consonant letters inside of the words and write them. Now what you are going to do, you are going to find out consonant letters inside of the word and you are going to write them next to verse. Okay? We have kardeş, kanepe, sandalye, perde, defter ve tahta. You have again 6 words for making activity. Now I will give one activity from your activity book. We have one activity related to this subject, so I want to write it on the board and I want to make explanation related to this activity. Okay? Page 15 in your activity book. The second activity. They have done one table as I did. Okay? By the way, in Turkish language, we have two terminology, two concepts related to letters. We can use them vowels, which is called sesli harfler, or we will say them ünlüler, the same thing. Okay? Vowels. Ünsüzler, consonants. Consonants. what you are going to do by looking this table. You will check this table. What you are going to do, you will find out vowel letters. You will find them from here, and then you are going to write them here. Okay? In the part of vowels, if they are vowel, which is called ünlüler or sesli harfler. Here, you will do the opposite version. You will check consonant letters and you will write them here. Okay? They have already done one, so you are going to write the rest of them. Here is for vowels, here is for consonants, okay? Look at this table and then you should write the vowels here, consonant here. You have two tests. This one, it is from your workbook, çalışma kitabı, page 15. This one is not in your book, so you should copy as I did, and you should find out in the first part vowel sound, in the second part consonant sounds. Okay? If you have any question mark, you can ask me anytime. Okay? I hope it was enjoyable class. See you in the next class. Thank you so much. Görüşmek üzere. Hoşça kalın.